Okay, so if I'm clever, I can do this split screen and show you a good headlight bulb, and that this one is burned out, needs to be changed. And car designers hate maintenance because they've hit it right here behind that cover. And I think it'll make it a tiny bit easier on me if I undo this plug, push on the back of it, and wiggle. And just get that out of the way. Then unscrew this cover. Okay. That was 1/8 of a turn and it just popped out. All right, let's see if we can get a look inside that case there. It's a tight spot and it's hard to get a light and the camera in, but let me see what I can do for you. So like every other halogen bulb, it should be just rotate it counterclockwise. And slide it out. God, I hope you saw that. So there's a little catch. Pull it out with your thumb and take the bulb off. It's a 9005 bulb. Try to be careful and not touch the glass. We'll put that one back in place. So the bulb goes in angled, and you play around a little bit until you feel the ears find their seating spot. And you get it in there, then you turn it until the cable is pointing down. That locks it in place. And this is why Hyundai hates That was actually easier than I thought it would be. 4 ears on the cover. Feel around until they line up, and then it's just a bit of a turn clockwise to lock it in place. And we just plug the harness for the lighting in, and that just slides on until it clicks. I'll be honest, this was actually easier than my last Hyundai that I owned. I'm Steve from Workbench-Z. Go have fun with your tools. Hold it.